welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new mini skincare fridge. I'm also going to show you guys a few new products that I bought, obviously skincare related, and we are going to go ahead and set up our little mini fridge. If you guys are new to my channel, I usually do beauty and lifestyle videos, and I upload every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, so you can always come back and check out my channel on those days for a new video. If you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like, also subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload. And last but not least, go ahead and follow me on social media. I'll have the links down below. And yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. So the fridge that I ended up getting was the COOLULI in this really pretty kind of rosy pink. I got it off of Amazon for $49.99. I believe at the moment they only have the white and the hot pink available, again for $49.99, and I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Amazon has a ton of options for you guys to choose, all ranging from like $50 to like $150 if you want to like really spend some money. They have endless options, so you can always, you know, check up Amazon. They have everything. Alright, so let's get this open. The best thing about having a mini skincare fridge like this is obviously the close proximity that you have to your products, the easy access without having to store your things in the kitchen. And also, if you come to think about it, it is not the most sanitary thing to do to keep your stuff in the fridge where you also kind of store your food and everything. So having a mini fridge is very convenient for that. And it's very good to keep your skincare products in a cool temperature area. So that's kind of why I bought it. I want to keep it in my room with like all my products. So here it is. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty tiny. Like I said, I got the smaller version. I got the one that I believe fits 4 cans, but they also have a 6 cans one, so it's just up to you. I don't want to clutter my room that much or my vanity area, so I decided for the smaller version. So you go ahead and open it, and this is what it looks like. It has the cable inside, and then some instructions manual, which we do not need. So some things that I have heard about keeping or getting a mini fridge is that it will expand the lifestyle of your products, and that's actually not true. It is completely false. Just so you guys are aware of that, just because you store your products in a cool temperature area does not mean it's gonna expand their life. It will get you many other benefits, but every makeup product or skincare product usually comes with a label, and I'll put it right here. So sometimes it says 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. And so the moment that you open your product, that's when the clock kind of starts. So it is sort of false advertising. Just because you store your things in a cool temperature does not mean your product is going to last forever. That's not the case. But it is going to give you other great benefits. For example, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you're going to do your makeup, if you do like a really nice cool mask or an eye cream, it's really going to depuff you. Is that a word? You know, the puffiness is definitely going to go down. There's a lot of other benefits that you get out of it. So now let's go ahead and set up my skincare fridge, and I'm also going to show you guys all the things I bought new for my skincare. Alrighty guys, so this is what the fridge looks like. It has a little kind of compartment here, which I think that's where I'm gonna put my face mask. And yeah, it's really cute. So the first thing that I purchased from Ulta is the Pixie Eye Patches, and they have 2 kinds. They have this one which firms and kind of straightens your under eye. Then it also has just a hydrating one. I went ahead with this one because it has both, and I just feel like it's time for me to get some nice eye stuff. And I really like Pixi. I really love the packaging, love the green color. It really goes with my room. And yeah, so this is the first thing that's gonna go in here, and I'm just gonna place it right there, I think. So I'm going to put it on the top one because I feel like I'm going to reach the most for that. I'm really excited. And I think that putting it in the fridge is going to be the best part because it's going to be so cooling and you are going to decrease the puffiness in the morning. So that's awesome. Next up, also from Ulta, I got the 4th Rate Soak It Up mask, and I am a huge fan of 4th Rate Beauty. The best thing about this mask is that it's very hydrating. It is called the Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask, and what you can do is you can put it on at night and for 5 or 10 minutes. Once it's done, you can go ahead and rinse it off, or you can actually keep it and use it as an overnight mask. So it's great. I do have really dry skin, so I think this is going to be awesome, and I'm going to go ahead and put that down here. Yeah. Another product from 4th Rate Beauty is the Strawberry face milk. I have a ton of these in different scents, and I didn't have the strawberry one, so I went and purchased this. This strawberry one says it's very calming and moisturizing, so I think that's really good for at night maybe. And I don't know, I'm probably going to switch up my face milks because I do have a lot, so maybe sometimes I'll put the coconut one, sometimes I'll leave the strawberry one. Just kind of depends what mood I am in, considering, you know, the face milks. I also got this Glow Mud Cleanser. Again, I'm a big fan of Pixi, and I love the green, but actually I don't think it's going to fit in here. So that's kind of sad, but it's okay. I'm just going to keep it in my vanity area. And yeah, but I'm excited to use this. I don't know, lately, I guess because we're in quarantine, I'm really into my skincare, so this is going to be really fun. Super excited about this next mask. I've never tried anything from this brand. It is, I believe, a Korean brand. That's how it came up on Ulta, and it is from I Do Care. Yeah, and it's a hydrating holographic peel off mask. I love peel off masks. They're my favorite. They're the most satisfying thing to do. And yeah, I'm actually going to probably do this tonight. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put that here next to the eye patches. So that looks pretty nice. All right, we're still going. All right, next up we're gonna put one of my favorite products, which is my ColourPop Lippie scrub. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Lippie scrub. And I'm just gonna place that right there. I love my scrubs for my lips, and I think it would be really nice to apply them cold. We'll see. I've never tried that, but I have the space, so let's just do it. Alright, so I am a huge face mask person. I basically collect face masks along with face milks. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pop these on the door. I really like this door. It's so cute. I wish it like stayed like that for the video, but it's kind of closes that way. Look how cute that is. Alright, so we're going to keep that there. I also have this Pixi Glow Tonic toner. I'm gonna put that there. It's kind of tall, but it fits. I don't know if I love that there, but it's fine, I guess. Maybe it's fine. Then we have this priming water by Touch and Soul. This is great for your pores, and it's already, once you apply it, it's already very cool, but I feel like once it's actually in the fridge, it's going to be even better. So we're going to go ahead and try that out. Remember, you do have to double check if all your products are suitable to be in cool temperatures, because if they're not, you're just going to ruin your product. So just make sure you check that. I'm going to go ahead and, that moved, right? Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put in my Glossier lip balm, the balm.com. This is my favorite lip balm, so I'm just going to put it there. I use it every day, and I've never used a lip balm cold, so I think that'd be pretty cool. Alright, one of the most important things is obviously our Jade Roller. Everybody owns this. This is just like the best thing ever. We're going to put that there. That is honestly the most relaxing thing you could ever do to your skin. If you do not like skincare, I'd say just get a Jade Roller and try to dedicate at least 3 to 5 minutes at night for your skin, and it's going to do wonders for you. It's amazing, and you feel so great and refreshed after you use it. And the last product that I'm going to go ahead, this is kind of a random thing, but I have one of these like spatulas for your face mask, and I'm actually going to pop this in there. I've never done that, but I mean, can't do much harm. So yeah, you guys, that is my little skincare fridge. I really like it. I really think it's worth it. Obviously, you don't necessarily need it, but it's just cute, right? Look. And then just gonna go ahead and close it. I have seen people put stickers everywhere, and even though I'm a crazy sticker person, I don't think I'll be doing that. Maybe I'm gonna get like a glossier sticker there to hide the logo. And yeah, that'd probably be it. I'll show you guys one last time what it looks like in here. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of tape here so it just stays up, I think, because this is really going to bother me. That really bothers me. It's just getting on my nerves right now. So I kind of want it perfect like that. And it doesn't do that. Okay. So, yeah. That is it. And, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun setting up my skincare stuff. And I can't wait to get use out of my new products. And, yeah. I'll see you guys on my next video.